Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to print welcome, hello world, using a button. Open new Android Studio. Click to start a new Android Studio project. Then click Empty Activity. Then, press Next. Enter your Android app name. I will enter Hello World. Then I will choose language as Java. And minimum SDK as API 21. Then press Finish. You will get Android Studio interface. Already, it has TextView. But we need to enter ID for using in code. I will enter ID as txtHello. And we need a button for controlling the text view. I will drag and drop a button. And I will set the position. Now, I am going to write code. First of all, we need variables for each element. So, I will create two variables. One for text view and another one for the button. Then, we want to connect variable and elements. So, I want to write code inside the onCreate method. First the variable name equal variable class name for casting. findViewById R.id. Element ID. Now I have connected elements with variables. Then, I will write code for click function. Variable name of button. SetOnClickListener. New. OnClickListener. Then, I will change TextView text as welcome. Hello world. So, TextView variable name. SetText. Then enter the message. Congratulations! We have completed our application. Press Run. It is working very well. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Never miss another update.